Good morning, students. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, teacher. We are happy.
I'm so glad to hear that. Today, I want to talk about something we sometimes do at home homework. Do you know what homework is?
It's work we do at home.
Yes, that's right. Homework is practice work we do at home to help us remember what we learned in school. Why do you think it's important to do our homework?
So we can be smart.
Exactly. Homework helps us get smarter and better at things. When do you like to do your homework?
I do mine after I have a snack.
That sounds like a good plan. What about you, Dojo? When do you do your homework?
I do mine after playing with my toys.
That's okay too. It's good to have some playtime. Where do you do your homework?
I do mine at the kitchen table.
I do mine on the floor in the living room.
Those are both good places. It's important to find a spot where you can focus. Sometimes homework can be tricky. What do you do if you need help?
I ask my mommy.
That's a great idea. Asking for help is always okay. You can ask your parents, older siblings, or even me. How do you feel when you finish your homework?
I feel happy.
That's wonderful. It feels good to finish something and do a great job. Remember, homework is not to make you stressed or upset. It's to help you learn and grow. What if you don't understand something in your homework?
I can try again or ask for help.
Perfect. Trying again and asking for help are great ways to solve problems. Do you know what we should do if we feel tired while doing homework?
Take a little break.
Yes, taking a short break can help you feel better and do your work well. Do you think we can make homework fun?
Yes!
Absolutely. You can use fun pencils, color your work, or make a little game out of it. Homework helps us learn better. So, let's all do our best. Ask for help if we need it. And remember to have fun while learning.
Okay, teacher!
Great! Now let's get ready for our fun activities today. Remember, you are all doing an amazing job.